malapit na ako sa motor, ibigay na yun. Ang bilis ng motor ay 40 km/h. Ang oras ay t plus 2. Kaya, minus na natin to yung 40 sa magkabila. Nakuha natin dyan ay 42 plus 80 minus 42 equal 60 minus 42. Nakuha natin dito sa 42 plus 80 plus 42 plus 40 ay 80 plus 22. Kaya i-divide natin yan sa 20.
Good afternoon everyone, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Salcu Tenedo and I'm with my group. We're the fourth group. I'm here today because I'm going to do a tutorial about solving word problem involving linear equation in one variable. It has 6 topics and we will focus on other word types problems. And now, join us as we answer the 2 word problem. Example number 2. A bus leaves the terminal at 50 kilometers kilometer a bun leaves the same route, how long will it take for the one to overtake the bus? Before we get the equation for this problem, we need one step. We need to understand the word problem very well. A bus leaves the terminal at 50 kilometers 3 hours later. A bus leaves the same route. How long will it take for the one to overtake the bus? According to what we read, it says how long will it take for the one to overtake the bus? Since what we're discussing it's how long or the time in this problem, let's let T represent the time. 3 hours. The one travel before overtaking the bus. So since we already know what they represent, let's go back to the word problem to make an equation. A bus leaves the terminal at 50 kilometers 3 hours later. A bus leaves the same route. How long will it take for the one to overtake the bus? So we will make an equation. Leaves the same route. How long it takes for the one to overtake the bus? Dahil time or kung anong tagal ang hinahanap natin, yun T ang ating nalagay. And yung bus is tumatakbo siya ng 50 kilometers. Tatlong oras bago umalis yung van galing dun sa pinanggalingan ng bus. So, sabi dito, how long will it take for the one to overtake the bus? Gaano daw katagal bago ma-overtake yung bus? So, our equation is bakit ganyan ang ating equation? Dahil ang T ay nagre-represent doon sa nawawala o doon sa hinahanap natin. And yung 3, ito yung oras bago umalis yung van doon sa pinanggalingan ng bus. At yung 50 kilometers per hour, ito yung takbo ng bus. So, solve na natin ang ating nagawang equation. 50 multiplied by T plus 3 is equal 70T. So, step 1, kailangan natin i-distributive property of multiplication ng 50 dun sa T plus 3. So, 50 times T is 50T. 50 times 3 is 150 equals 70T. So, para matanggal natin yung 150 or ma-cancel, kailangan natin mag-add ng negative 150 both sides. So, 150 plus negative 150 is cancelled. 70T plus negative 150 is negative 80. So, ang tawag dito is addition property of multiplication. So, ang ating nakuha is 50T is equals 80. Paano man itira yung T? So, at paano din natin makukuha yung tagal bago ma-overtake yung bus? So, tayo ay mag-a-add ng 1/50 doon both sides sa 50T is equals negative 80. So, add na tayo o mag-divide, hindi siya add. So, 50 if 80 multiplied by 150 by 1/50 is 1 point. Therefore, ma-overtake ang bus sa tagal na 1 hour and 40 minutes. So, ang ating sagot is 1.6. Ito ang tagal ng bago ma-overtake yung bus. Thank you sa panonood ng aking tutorial at sana naintindihan nyo ang aking ginawa. Yun lang po.